This is my first time experience in Mount Abu in Brahma Kumaris Retreat Center. Before coming here, I had a notion about Brahma Kumaris that they're very serious and the tasks are very overpowering, and most of the people have that. But I urge every one of you to at least see and experience for yourself and visit this retreat center once, because experience is exactly opposite. It's liberating and you will feel ecstatic, as I did. The lectures what you hear in our retreat centers is from eminent personalities. They are doing amazing in their walk of life. The words what you hear, they're very motivating, they're healing and empowering. Just imagine the tasks what you would do in your day-to-day life, what they will be. They will be much more than what I've just said. Thank you so much.